Hold on to your digital hats. Here comes a whirlwind tour of the latest in cybersecurity news from the past 3 days. It's a world that never sleeps, where the stakes are high and the players relentless. A world that demands our constant vigilance. Why, you ask? Because it's the world that houses our digital lives, our identities, our secrets. That's right. We're talking about the world of cybersecurity. In the past 72 hours alone, we've seen significant movements in this space. We've got stories that have shocked us, developments that have intrigued us, and advancements that have inspired us. We're talking about threats, breaches, innovations, and legislation. All of this, and more, carefully picked for their relevance, impact, and novelty. So, are you ready to decode the complex world of cybersecurity, to unravel the mysteries of the digital universe? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into these headlines and understand what they mean for you. Kicking off our digital deep dive, let's explore our first piece of news. In the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity, it's important to stay informed and aware. Our first bite of news comes from the heart of Silicon Valley. A cybersecurity firm has made a breakthrough in encryption technology, promising a new era of secure communications. This development is significant as it represents a potential leap forward in our ability to protect sensitive data from cyber threats. The implications of this breakthrough are vast, potentially reshaping the landscape of online security and privacy. To understand the magnitude of this news, it's essential to consider the backdrop of increasing cyber threats we've seen in recent years. This breakthrough could be a game changer, providing a much-needed shield in our digital lives. Quite a start, isn't it? Now on to our next cyber scoop. Picking up the pace, let's unravel our second headline. In this part of our digital news journey, we plunge into another striking revelation from the cybersecurity landscape. A fresh wave of cyber threats has been detected, targeting not just individuals, but corporations and government entities as well. This sophisticated attack vector is causing ripples across the tech community, and here's why. The perpetrators are exploiting vulnerabilities in some of the most commonly used software. The repercussions? A potential global catastrophe. This situation underscores the importance of regular software updates and stringent cybersecurity protocols. To add a bit of context, the tech community has been grappling with similar threats for years. However, the scale and sophistication of this latest assault are unprecedented. It's a stark reminder of the evolving nature of cyber threats and the need for us to be ever vigilant. And that's the second bite of our digital news feast. But wait, there's more. Rounding up our cybersecurity news roundup, here's our final piece of news. In a world where digital security is of utmost importance, this news has shaken the tech world to its core. The discovery of a new sophisticated cyber threat has been reported. This malware, unlike anything we've seen before, has the potential to compromise even the most fortified systems. The implications of this threat are far-reaching, affecting not only the tech industry, but also potentially every individual and organization connected to the digital world. This is a reminder of the constant evolution in the realm of cyber threats and the need for vigilance and regular updates in our security protocols. The broader impact of this revelation is a wake-up call for everyone. It underscores the importance of cyber hygiene and the need for continuous learning and adaptability in the face of ever-evolving cyber threats. And with that, we wrap up our cybersecurity news flash. But before we sign off, before we bid goodbye, a few parting words. As we journeyed through the most recent cybersecurity news, we've uncovered some key insights. These revelations underline the pivotal role of staying informed in our increasingly connected world. From the latest data breaches to the most innovative security measures, every bit of information enhances your understanding of this intricate digital landscape. Remember, each headline we've discussed today is not just news. It's a piece of the puzzle that shapes the cybersecurity landscape. It's a call to remain vigilant, to understand the implications, and to take proactive measures. So, we encourage you to delve deeper into these topics, to question, to explore, to learn. In this digital age, your security is as strong as your awareness. It's a continuous journey of learning, and we're here to guide you through it. Remember, in the digital world, knowledge is your best armor. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in cybersecurity. Until next time, stay safe online.